Good day and welcome again to Mr. Ong Math Lesson. In this video, I'm going to teach you a mathematical model on what would you do with a free bet of $100. There are two options actually. The first option is you are going to bet on a game as usual and hope that you win. Good on you if you win. What happens if you lose? If you lose, then your free bet will be all taken away. Your $100 free bet will all be gone. So now I'm going to teach you another method where you make a risk-free bet and you will always get around 50% back of the $100. So you will get at least $50 more or less of the amount of the free bet. So without further ado, let's do the method on how to win 50% more or less of the free bet amount. Okay, next, we are going to look at the things to do. Okay, the things to do is as follows. First, you must find a free sport bet where there are only two outcomes. You must have two betting sites, okay? There must be a two outcome sport bet. So for example, there's a win or lose. For example, things like tennis, basketball, and rugby league, there's no draw. So there's always a winner. So you either win or you lose. Do not choose any three-way betting sports like the soccer, rugby, or cricket, where a drawn match is possible. Just remember, you need to do a two-way betting system. Next, you need to bet the $100 free bet on the larger winning outcome. And last but not least, you are going to match on another betting site which gives the equivalent outcome from the free bet winning from the first betting site. So without further ado, let's do an example. Okay, so now we have two sites here, okay, betting site 1 and betting site 2. We are going to watch a tennis game, okay. So for example, Eric versus Jonas. Eric is player 1 and Jonas is player 2. So the chances of Eric winning, if he wins, he gets $2.60. If Jonas wins, you get $1.45. And while in the other betting site, Eric is $2.45 for a win and Jonas is $1.48. This is a good betting site where player 1 and the amount is bigger at player 1, but the amount for player 2 is slightly bigger in betting site number 2. So you are going to bet the $100 free bet on the higher odd. So 260 is the higher odd. So you're going to put all the $100 on 2.60 on Eric. So for example, if Eric wins the game, you are going to win 160 because the free bet doesn't count. The initial amount of $100 doesn't count. So you will only have a winning of $160. So the output of the winning will be $160 if Eric wins. So the amount you put in is $0 as this is a free bet. Now we go to betting site number 2. You must place an equivalent amount or the bet in betting site 2 for you to able to win 160. In this case, if you bet on Jonas winning at the odds of 1.48, you have to put in the amount of 108.20 cents. Okay, and if Jonas win on betting site 2, then the amount you get is 160.10. So the amount, no matter who wins, the amount will be 160. So you will get 160 either Eric win or Jonas win. So what is the trick in this that you have only put in 108.20. The reason is that the first betting site is a free bet, so you're only going to put 108.20, and no matter who win, Eric or Jonas win, you'll get the amount of 160. So in that case, even when you have a good slip, you don't have to watch the game, you put in the amount of 108.20, you are sure to get back $160, making a net profit of $52. Because 160 minus $108.20 is going to be $52 or slightly less than $52. So your $100 free bet will yield amount of $52 no matter which player win. So no matter who win, Jonas or Eric win, you will always win $160, and that is a net profit of slightly less than $52. Hope you understand this technique, and good luck. Cheers, everyone. And remember, this is just a mathematical model for you to try on. Cheers, everyone, and have a good day.